Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
बेरोजगारी वेल्यान सरकार पक्षाक जो तो पक्ष धुपाक लागला. प्रचाराक आयिल्ली काँग्रेसीची फुडारी प्रियंका गांधी वाद्रांनी बेरोजगारीचे इश्यूचेर सरकाराक धुलो.
Actually, this election for Goa is really significant. And it's significant not just from the point of view of us political parties, but particularly from the point of view of Goa. What we have here is a state rich in resources, rich in natural beauty, rich in skill, with a good youthful population, and yet the second highest in unemployment in India. And yet the focus of the government, instead of being on development, instead of being on how to move forward, how to protect the natural beauty of Goa, how to protect your resources, or at least to utilize them for your own good, there is no such focus. The focus is only on staying in power, and by whatever means one can stay in power. It is most important for the people of Goa to understand today where their state is heading, and to understand what is happening to it, to understand the way it's being looked at by the BJP. It's simply a resource for their greed for power and for their greed for helping their industrialist friends. So if you want your identity, your culture, and your traditions to remain strong and intact, if you want a government that accepts, understands, and believes the same, then please vote for the Congress in this election. I am here to say to you that we have taken a pledge that the promises that are being made to you will be delivered. In government jobs which will be provided in Goa, 30% of them will be for women. There will be a working women's hostel in Margao and Panaji for working women.
काँग्रेसूच खंय गोंयची संस्कृती वळख राखून दवरूंक शकता. प्रियंकान गोंयचो आदलो काँग्रेस अध्यक्ष इरीन बारोसाक ताचे घरा वचून आर्गां ओंपली. प्रियंकाची नुव्या नावेले सांतांद्रे आनी कुमारजुंय ही मीटिंग जाली.
बर्बाद होने पर है. जीएसटी के बाद, नोटबंदी के बाद, गलत टूरिज्म पॉलिसी के बाद बहुत सारे कारोबार बंद होने लगे हैं. ये लोग आते हैं मंच पे, आपको भाषण देते हैं कि कसिनो कैपिटल बनाना चाहते हैं यहाँ पे. तो हम एक ऐसी सरकार बनाना चाहते हैं. और मैं जानती हूँ कि पिछली बार जो इलेक्शन हुआ, फिर आपने देखा आपके भी यहाँ के भी जो एमएलए हैं वो डिफेक्ट होके कहीं और चले गए. आप इस पॉलिटिक्स को बंद कराइए. And I would like to also say that his mother really embodied the slogan मैं लड़की हूँ लड़ सकती हूँ. She was an original fighter, and you know that as her son he will keep the promises that she made to you of working with dedication, working selflessly for you. So thank you very much. Please make him a winner in this election.
पणजेत ती प्रचाराक घराघरांनी भोवली. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.